Hi everyone, welcome to the Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud Complete course. I'm really glad you are here because if you have been searching for a comprehensive hands-on NPC course and coming up empty, I built this specifically for you. My name is Hirday, and over the next 3 hours, we are going to go from very beginning of Nonprofit Cloud all the way through fundraising, program management, outcomes, reporting, and administration. By the end of this course, you will have the confidence to navigate, configure, and use Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud in a real nonprofit environment. So, why does this course exist? Well, here's the honest truth. When NPC launched, the documentation was scattered. Most YouTube content was still focused on the older NPSP product, and the content that did exist for NPC was either surface level or incomplete. Nonprofits adopting NPC were left to figure things out on their own. This course closes that gap. Now, let me make sure you are in the right place. This course is designed for Salesforce admin who are new to Nonprofit Cloud. It's for consultants who are adding NPC to their skill set. It's for NPSP users who are moving or considering moving to NPC. And it's for nonprofit staff who manage Salesforce as part of their day-to-day role. What you do need coming in is basic Salesforce familiarity, things like logging in, navigating the platform, and creating records. What you don't need is any prior NPC experience at all. We start from scratch. Here's what we are going to cover. We start with Module 1, which is NPC Foundation and the data model. This is your foundation for everything. Then in Module 2, we dive into fundraising, which is one of the NPC's most powerful and most used areas. Module 3 covers program management. Module 4 is case management. Module 5 is outcome management. Module 6 is reporting with dashboard. And Module 7 wraps up with administration and configuration. Then we close out with a tips and common mistakes video, all in about 3 hours of focused practical content. Throughout this entire course, we are going to work with one fictional organization called Hope Foundation. Hope Foundation is a Chicago-based nonprofit whose mission is to provide food, shelter, and employment support to individuals experiencing homelessness. They have 25 staff members, an annual budget of about $2.5 million, and they run three programs: a food pantry, an emergency shelter program, and a job ready employment training program. For this course, you are Alex, Hope Foundation Salesforce admin. Every single demo we do uses Hope Foundation real data and real scenarios. This means you are not just learning features in isolation, you're learning them in context, the same way you use them in a real implementation. A quick note on how to use this course. Each video is focused on one topic and runs about 8 to 10 minutes. There is no fluff. When we get to demo videos, I strongly recommend having your NPC org open on a second screen so you can follow along in the real time. And every single video in this course is designed to be a reference. So even after you complete the course, you can come back to any video at any time when you need a refresher on a specific topic. If you have questions at any point, drop them in the comment. I read every comment. To follow along with the demos, you will need access to Salesforce NPC enabled org. The best way to get this free is through Salesforce.org Power of Us program, which provides Salesforce licenses to eligible nonprofits. Alternatively, you can request an NPC trial log directly from Salesforce. Standard Trailhead Playground will not have NPC features, so make sure you are using the right type of org. Other than that, you need basic Salesforce navigation skills and about 3 hours. All right, that's the course overview. Let's get into it. Module 1 is up first. We are going to cover what Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud actually is, how it differs from the older NPSP product, and we'll walk through the data model that powers everything in NPC. That data model video is genuinely one of the most important videos in the course. It's the foundation for everything that comes after.